Okay, let's be honest. Living in a small space can feel like a never-ending puzzle. But what if I told you there are a few simple tricks to make your tiny living room look spacious and totally Instagram-worthy? In this video, I'm sharing design secrets that are practical, easy, and perfect for 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with furniture that does double duty. Think about it. A storage ottoman not only hides your clutter, but also works as extra seating. A sofa bed? Perfect for hosting guests in tight spaces. These pieces aren't just functional, they're game changers for small spaces. Plus, they're so easy to find these days. Now, here's a design hack that never fails: mirrors. Adding a large mirror, or even a few smaller ones, can create the illusion of more space. Place it opposite a window to bounce light around and instantly make your room feel brighter and bigger. It's like magic. With a small living room, it's all about going up, not out. Use vertical storage like floating shelves or a ladder bookshelf to keep things organized while adding style. Bonus points if you decorate them with plants or a few personal touches. Light, neutral colors are your best friend. They create an airy feel and make the room look larger than it is. Add texture through pillows, rugs, or curtains to keep the space from feeling too plain. And if you're a color lover, don't worry, you can always sprinkle in a few vibrant accents. Even in a small space, creating zones can make a huge difference. Use rugs to define your seating area, or arrange furniture to separate a reading nook. It gives your room a clear purpose without making it feel cluttered. In a small room, less is definitely more. Declutter regularly and focus on decor pieces you absolutely love. Trust me, a clean, minimalist vibe not only looks amazing but also feels incredibly calming. Here's a real-life example. Before, this living room felt cramped and dark, but after adding a mirror, switching to neutral colors, and using multifunctional furniture, it became a cozy, stylish retreat. It's proof that these ideas really work. So, which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to get started, check the description for some of my favorite finds to help you transform your space at no extra cost to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs